Okay, so hello everyone. Today I would like to do one of the tasks that we were supposed to do. So I would like to make a recording of all the comments and the work that we have done so far in our group's the Google Doc. So here it is. So we started with Anna. Anna created our joint document, and I thank her for that. So she wrote what the tasks will be, and she wrote who the Padlet team members are. So this is Anna from Poland, Helen from Australia, Milgre from Venezuela, Mirta, that's me, Ilona from Poland, and Tamara from Croatia. So we talked about our first activity, and you can see my comment because I wasn't sure, and I'm still not sure about completely about what we were supposed to do. So I had some doubts regarding recording this video, and Anna answered, and we had a sort of conversation which was not so short. Okay, so the second part was this chart or table in which we wrote our names, country and town which we come from, and we wrote about our favorite colors and hobbies, and we chose the color of the text that we were going to use in this document. So let's move on to answering some of the questions. These are Anna's, and I like her group of people that she works with, her group of students who are 70 or 80 years old. And I'm really surprised at their motivation to study so they can afford this. So do study whatever you want and talk to whoever you want, so which is very, very good. And also, I'm amazed at the amount of tools that Anna uses with her group. Okay, so we also made different comments here. Some of them have been already answered, not all of them, but still some we have managed to do. Then Helen also has classes with adult learners, and I also have a question about her a lot of things that she wrote about. So feeling the overload. My students are younger, so they are teenagers, and they still get tired of using a lot of digital tools. But Helen's group maybe find it a bit challenging. They maybe not do not spend so much time on digital gadgets, so that would be a good way to use them when they are learning. Then Milgrave also wrote about groups of children of different age, teenagers, adults, and so on. So I bet this is a very, very demanding thing. And also, there is this option that they are writing something together. Okay, so this is the same thing as we are doing. We are thinking of new ideas when we are collaborating in this way. Okay, and then there is my answer about the age group that I work with, age groups that I work with, and I've singled out one class. These are seniors aged 18 to 19, and they are leaving school this year. I work in vocational school, so they will probably, some of them will probably find jobs, and some of them will continue their university education. Also, there haven't been any comments made on this or questions made on this yet. And also, I share the problem with Ivona with some cases when students are passive during online lessons. Tamara, who is also my neighbor, so to speak. She lives in a city which is half an hour away from my city. We shared also some of the ideas on Padlet. So since we are Padlet group, this seemed logical. And also Tamara shared some of her pieces of advice on working with students. And I like this tool, Go Conquer. I guess this is pronounced in this way. I haven't used it yet, but this is something that I will definitely try out. Okay. Also, she mentioned free internet access, which is sometimes a problem since we are working in this epidemiological situation in which students are not allowed to sit close to each other, and some of them don't have internet connection on their mobile devices, and also school doesn't have free internet in all classrooms. So for now, this is a bit of a problem. So when we are at school, we need to be careful about how to use digital devices, and when we are online, then students are not so really interested in using them, so this can be a bit of a problem sometimes. So I guess this is the task that we were supposed to do. If not, Nelly, please let me know and I'll do my task again. So thank you for watching. Bye.